it's afternoon already. Good afternoon. Nagpe-prepare ako. Actually, today is Ella's birthday. So, nag-ano ako guys, magba-barbecue kami sa labas, sa balcony. At saka, last night I made nag-bake ako ng cake niya. Tapos, ayun, nandun lahat. O, dito pa yung chair sa. Tapos, nag-work kasi si Frank. Dito. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yung ginawa ko last night. Last night actually ni Frank. Then it's Ella here. Hello, happy birthday. So ayun, may ano ako dito. I have here sweets. Then meron akong cupcakes. Ayun yung cake ko. Banana cupcake at saka strawberry coated chocolate. Strawberry coated chocolate. Kung napansin nyo guys, mahina yung... Careful there.
It's dusty. That's why I'm not coming in. The dust is not on it.
Frank, over there.
What are you eating, huh?
Hello.
There. She's eating a corn.
Prepare ni Frank yung grilling. Ayun guys, ilalagay ko ang meat sa stick para mag-start na kami ng barbecue in an hour. Ayun.
And for that, I had to clean the...
You have to clean the balcony?
Yeah.
Thank you, dear.
Once a year, I should do that.
Yeah, every birthday occasion. Since Ella's birthday, turns out that sunny day. Yun yung stick ko. Nag-marinate na ako actually ng meat, guys. Mahina yung boses ko kasi speaking.
So we have to hurry up. As long as the peace is lasting.
Yeah. So ayun, kami lang kakain. Guys, parang limpo. Didiretso ko na siya. Hindi ko na ilalagay sa stick. May palimpo ako dito eh. Nalagay ko siya lahat. Ni-marinate ko siya sa soya sauce, sa onion at saka lemon. Yun yung ginamit ko para i-marinate siya. So, ayun na siya guys. Set ang barbecue ko. And then, ready na siya. At yung isa, andito. Yung chicken, pork, at chicken wings. Yung manok, at saka yung pork limpo, andito. So, that's all ready. Magluluto na lang ako ng rice para makapag-start na kami ng pag-barbecue namin. So, gagawa ako ng sauce guys para ipampahid niya. Lalagyan ko siya ng Sprite kasi ito hindi ko nalagyan ng Sprite. Mas masarap daw pag lagyan ng Sprite ang pag-marinate. So, sa pampahid ko siya lalagyan ko siya ng olive oil. Lagyan ko ng olive oil, ng soya sauce, at saka lemon. Tsaka Sprite, at saka pepper. Here. Pampahid lang siya para para yung pag nag-grill siya guys ba, meron siyang pampahid. Alam niyo naman yung sinasabi ko, no? Hindi ko siya ng bit of oil. Tapos kunin natin yung pepper. Tsaka lemon. Yun. Lagyan natin siya ng konting Sprite. Lagyan natin lemon. Wala akong fresh lemon guys. Ito lang yung lemon ko. At saka yung pepper salt. So, ito na yung pampahid ko. Ayun na siya. Ano siya? Sabi nila, masarap daw pag may Sprite ang pag-marinate. Kaso nakalimutan ko siya, guys. Nakalimutan ko siya. Kahapon ko pa ito minarinate. Prepare ko na kasi lahat yesterday para today, relax na lang. Luto na lang ng rice. Lagay na lang ng barbecue. Ayun na. May lemon, soya sauce, olive oil, at saka Sprite, at pepper. Nagising na si Francine. Now, igo ako gipahuman niya. Kutong andamon. Kay apil-apil po to si Angkuan. Uli na to ning pepper. Andamon ako to si Francine. So, I'm gonna do the limpian po first. We have also schnitzel here, onion.
No.
Barbecue with with
The latest fashion.
yeah, latest fashion. No, I think still.
Should have had paprika and all that. I mean, we could have made shashlik.
Paprika na. I was also too late when I took that. I think that some videos. So you can add a bit, one more, this one baby.
That one?
Yeah, you can add. How many order?
Just one. Me.
Yeah, you have, no.
Just me
like,
ordered.
Like, same in the Philippines ba? How many you will have? Yeah, do it like that.
I know.
Ah, you know, I didn't
that
know that you know that. Ah, I taught you in that last year, na?
Did you?
Yeah, when we were doing,
okay.
when we are doing,
That's
when we are doing our barbecue.
in the winter.
Yeah, winter time.
When was it? I don't know.
It's
January?
2 degrees. It's 2 degrees and
Yeah.
we are outside barbecuing, grilling.
Any different sauce than to the one that you marinated it?
That has Sprite, so it will be a bit yummy. More yummy.
Okay.
Look at this area here. This is our area. Our place. Here. Buildings and so on.
Not so nice since
Yeah, that's the playground.
bed in here.
That's the Polonia.
Dentist.
The dentist. And that's Frank. And there they are there. Francine over there, waiting for the order. They're watching. I don't know if you can see that.
Cannot see.
Watching Pirates of the Caribbean. There. A bit. You see the dust. Look guys, happy na siya maluto. Ayun na, barbecue. Ang dami pa lulutuin. Siguro kakain na kami. Kung first batch, kakainin na namin. Magbubudol fight kami guys. Lalagyan lang. Kami lang kasi magbubudol fight kami at ang kids. Okay lang kung anong gusto niya. Pero kami dalawa ni Frank magbubudol fight. Gutom na actually kami guys. Frank will try one. Is that Coke?
Let's see. If I'm dead in 5 minutes, then you know it's
Oh, over oil. Okay, try. So we know what not should be on the top. Try on the top. I think it's not done there on that side. Should be on the top. Yeah. Yummy?
crispy.
Yummy? Or we need a bit soya sauce.
No,
No? Can I?
salty enough.
Not really yet, no? Not really yet. See? Okay. Isen, soya sauce, and chili.
Good appetit.
Dankeschön. There's a chicken actually, like.
Where?
No. You should eat like this.
No, I don't want to.
Why? I thought you were gonna eat with me. Here, baby. I teach you how to eat this.
I know how to eat that.
But why you're using spoon?
Because it's, you know what? We should have ketchup here.
Ketchup? Then get the ketchup.
Sauce.
Valentin, having strawberry.
Gibt's kein Messer, oder?
Okay, you
Kann das mal beschneiden?
Ja.
Was die Mutter an.
Nein, schon da. Ist das da? Das momentan.
Oh, it's cold already.
Cold? Eat fast.
So kalt, ey.
It's okay.
Mein Gott, immer cool.
Ja,
Er put immer cool voll der.
natürlich.
One by
Put the
one.
microwave, ja.
Warum steht da Ella? Gibt es auch für Vanessa?
Müssen wir mal gucken. So, no.
Sauer. Nicht sauer.
Voll
Sprudel.
sauer.
Sprudel. Wo ist der Becher, Paul? Dann auch kein Red. Meine Coke jetzt.
Yummy.
And I don't like about this is
Cold?
this is cold. I want that warm.
But it's like that.
And the best thing is to eat it directly from there into the mouth.
Ich habe längere Haare. I just got this because there's a fuck.
No fat on this.
It's just a factor.
Give me that. There's no fat on this.
It's this.
I
There is, oh, it's not cooked.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, it's not cooked. That's why it's chewy.
Das ist voll hart, dieser Reis.
Yeah, das ist dann.
Geh mal auf die Tobi. Oh mein Gott, der
Das
Papa
nicht
hat...
benutzt, ne? So, put that away.
Mein Papa hat einen Teller. Das ist das ist okay.
See, it's cooked. Okay.
Okay.
Hansin is happy with the kicks already. Eh?
But she cannot be seen because now there she is, the queen.
But eating cakes, biscuit only.
Nee, ist ja okay.
Ich bin halt ein Dickkopf.
Wenn du es sagst, dann bist du es.
Ibrahim und Amram.
Ambran, nicht Amban.
Was auch immer.
Amran und nicht
Ja.
Amran. Nennen wir einfach Banane, dann
Die hat mich gefragt gehabt, hey, ihr habt einen YouTube-Kanal? Habe ich gesagt, ja.
Aber will ich sie benennen?
Meine Frau hat gesagt, hey,
LOL.
cool. Und da hast du gesehen? Und gesagt, ja, meine Mama hat mir gezeigt.
What?
His mom was showing that to him.
Fuck, this is our neighbor. How come she's Swedish? I think he's Swedish then. What?
By the way, what is that?
It's funny.
Any comments, please? What is that for a syndrome? Like, you know, banging her head.
Bange, she
Sie
gets
macht das
nothing.
immer, das ist okay für sie.
She do that when she
Boring.
Wants attention.
yeah.
Dieser doofe Reis ist so roh.
Maybe can you
Schmeckt ja
give
gar
me
nicht.
coke?
Möchtest du mal Reis essen?
Schmeiß rein hier.
Bitte?
Der Reis ist blöd, ne? Weil du hast keine Soße dazu. Und Reis alleine, weiß ich nicht, ey.
Das darf mir so Spaß sein.
Ja,
Schande!
What?
zu tief gehalten. Pass auf, dass du das hier nicht
okay.
einsaust, weil ihr das ja an die Wand haben wolltet, ne?
It's okay.
Pack das hier an die Seite da, wo der Dreck ist.
Aber ich mach's ja hier. Da brauche ich eine neue Decke. Das kann man außerdem abwaschen.
Ja, aber
Ja, hier, Sponge.
You
muss
should.
ja nicht sein.
Kriegst du einen Teller?
Nein, warum?
Weil ich ein neues will.
Wieso?
Weil ich ein neues will.
Ja,
Und warum?
brauchst du doch nicht.
Doch.
Was soll denn der Quatsch?
Yeah, I have one.
Das ist
Where's
kein
mine?
Quatsch.
Der
Ja.
kommt der.
Yeah.
Wofür? Was ist der Grund? Ich will den Grund wissen.
Weil ich das nicht will.
Was willst du daran nicht?
Dass es dreckig ist.
Ja und? Du bist doch nicht von der Rückseite.
Die müssen immer noch ein anderes.
So, when you go on, we can put it there. So while that make it low, then you can get there some corn.
Alter, ganz klein ist dreckig voller.
So they're not all eating.
Hä?
Yeah.
I put a few back. Give me
Okay.
one, but I want to have them.
Ja, Keks ist weg. Nein.
One thing.
I have
Just wait.
300.
Put this too. You want this?
Yeah, but it needs to be
Warm?
warm. Zählt deine Hände an mir?
Nom, nom, nom.
Ahem.
Das war Schokolade der. Und Nutella aber warm.
Entschuldigung.
Kurz nach mir draußen, aber nicht hier drinnen. Guck mal, dieses Mädchen habe ich ausgesucht mit einer Uniform.
Ja?
Das ist Uniform. Guck. Uniform. Ja, aber ich will diese.
Ein Blatt ist
Ja,
so
aber
warm.
der ist also this. Nein. Doch, you want this, weil das, you had also coconut. No coconut. Doch, das ist Coconut.
Ja, aber nicht nur in Blitzer.
Na und? So ist ein Satz.
Ui,
Da.
where's it gone? I don't believe it, hey. Did you watch that? You wouldn't be laughing if that thing was a bit open.
Guck,
You
man
cannot
kann
open that now, ne?
Papa, man kann es hier reinstecken, ohne das. Weil ich hier ein Loch reingemacht habe und da stecke ich es rein.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, but I tried that too. But somehow the
Das
sugar
ist
stayed
dieser
in
da.
the show. She took out the pieces.
Ah.
So you-
Oh my god. Guck mal, die.
Ui.
When it's a good one, this up. This one, this, and this up.
Aber dieses Mädchen.
Up, stay.
Macht doch Platz.
We can go there open.
Not yet.
Not yet.
We're gonna blow your cake.
Not yet.
Are you opening your gift before?
I'm too full.
Ich habe meine Geschenke sofort